We're in Manchester to surprise this week's very lucky winner of the Midweek Car competition here at BOTB. Andreas Lykavgis has just won himself a brand new Volkswagen Up GTI. He lives just down the road. Let's go and knock on his door and give him the surprise of a lifetime. I think he likes his cars. Andreas? I've seen him out the back. I think he's coming through here. Andreas, how you doing?
How are you doing?
I'm very well.
Yeah, good.
Is this yours?
It is indeed.
Amazing. Yeah. What's it meant to be?
It's a pile of rust at the moment.
I can see it's a pile of rust.
Yeah.
Is it a Vauxhall of some kind?
No, I wish. It'd be less rusty.
What is it?
It's an old Hilux.
An old Hilux? Well, yeah. I've got something around the corner that isn't a project.
Have you now?
Andreas, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of the midweek competition.
Never won more than a £5 on a scratch card.
You just won a brand new Volkswagen Up GTI.
Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm in shock. I can't even shake your hand, can I?
No, you can't, I'm afraid. I'd usually give you a hug and everything, but we've got to stay a metre away.
Have you?
How are you feeling?
I'm in shock, I've never won anything. Look at that.
This is an absolute pocket rocket.
It is, yeah.
Have you ever driven one of these before?
I haven't, no, actually.
They're so much fun. So much fun.
Can I help in it? Yeah,
of course you can, yeah.
I've had a posh car before. Mad.
Give it a little rev?
Yeah. Wilder than a BM. That's amazing.
A car, so it's only a 1 litre.
Yeah.
But it's got so much power because it doesn't weigh anything.
I had a bit of credit left on the account, didn't I? And I thought I'll have a few punts on this because it's only cheap, and I've always thought they're quite cool, really.
But this is such a fun little car. I don't know what colour you think you'd maybe go for.
I'm not sure. Maybe black or something like that. Yeah. Little black rocket.
Yeah, little black rocket. Absolutely. Yeah. And you can still fit 2 people in the back.
Ah, yeah. Mad.
There's not much of a boot, but in terms of getting people in the back, you can either get people in, or you can put them flat and get a bit more shopping.
Yeah. That'll do for going to work and back, won't it?
Yeah. So what do you do for a living?
I'm just an engineer.
An engineer?
Yeah.
Engineering what exactly?
I'm just a maintenance engineer at Trafford Park for Muller. So.
Oh, for Muller?
Yeah.
Amazing. So you're making sure all of our machines that make our yogurts are okay?
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's
cool.
Yeah.
It's, not the most expensive car in the world, but oh my goodness me, smiles per miles in this car, and I've used that before and it's worked well. Smiles per miles in this is awesome. Honestly, you're going to have so much fun.
Oh, well, yeah, definitely.
Where do you think you'll take it for its first drive?
Might take it up into Peak District, maybe.
There's some good roads up there.
Yeah, little twisties. It should do all right up there, shouldn't it?
It really should.
Yeah.
It really should do well up there. Because it's such a little car, you can really throw it around.
Yeah. That's brilliant. I don't know what to say. Never won out. Mad. Yeah, that's mental.
Congratulations, Andreas.
Thank you very much.
Man.
Cheers,
Well done.
Winner. Yeah, buzzing.
Well, it's turned out to be quite a sunny day now here in Manchester. Massive congratulations once again to Andreas Lykavgis winning a brand new Volkswagen Up GTI. And what I love, just off camera, he said, my mum's going to kill me when she sees I haven't had a shave. Massive congratulations to him. Remember, if you're playing the Dream Car competition this week, we are giving you the chance to win not only your dream car, but also £50,000. Best of luck. I might be surprising you on Tuesday.